I did a contest on Instagram profile for my followers. 3 winners received a project of a free logo in 80s, retro and cyberpunk vibes. Watch the video and see what happened. Hi there, my name is Mark, I'm a graphic designer and content creator fallen in love with 80s, synthwave, retro and cyberpunk. I designed logos for 3 winners in my Instagram contest. Actually, there were only 3 people that participated, but it's alright, at least I didn't have to do a lottery, draw, never mind. I created logos in Adobe Illustrator, but for backgrounds I used Photoshop. So let's get through all those graphics. But before that, if you are new on this channel, please click subscribe and that will make you stay up to date with all my new videos. At the same time, that will help me to grow this channel. Now let's get started. So first project was for Francesco Vitagliano. Hi, I would like to have my name, Francesco Vitagliano, in it and the name of my song Escape from Reality. I want something that will fit visually to my music. Sounds made. I listened to that track a few times to figure out something cool, so check it out. And that's the final result. Francesco was very happy with this one. I used to work with other music creators before, mostly making album covers, and it's always a fun to design these type of graphics. By the way, Francesco does a really good job making synthwave. I'll put social media links to his work in the description so you can see yourself. And also, is this graphic it fits to the music. Let's get to the next one. And the next one is for the new Retrowave 98. Please do a logo for the Ghost team. It's mine and my friend's band name, if it's okay. Of course it's okay, mate. For this one I did a neon graphic on a brick dark wall inspired by ghosts from game Pac-Man. That was the concept, now enjoy the video. And that's the final piece and the reaction of a winner. It looks really amazing! I'm happy to hear that, and I can't wait to hear your band's music. Let's get to the last winner. And the final one is for Max21162. Like for two guys before, I got no visual guidelines and I had no limits here, so I created Horizon with silhouettes of his all favorite superheroes like Batman, John Wick, Luke Skywalker, and neon words with his nickname and what he does on his Instagram profile, which is action figure collection in Polish language. He does some really nice photography dedicated to toys. You can check it out in the description down below. Now, speed art. Here is a final piece. Actually, Max wanted to do some last touches on his own. Okay, fine. As far as he's happy, I'm happy too. I had a blast to do this giveaway with logo projects. If you would like to see more videos like this, maybe about editing your photos or something else, let me know in the comment section below. And that's all guys for today. Feel free to check out the rest of my content, click subscribe, leave a like if you appreciate my work, and drop me a comment down below with your opinion or any suggestions. That will help me to deliver a better content every time. I appreciate you, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Good night.